Hi, my name is Ariane, and today I will show you how to use virtual writing tutor. I've been studying psychology since 2 years and a half at Collège Montmorency. In my program, we study human and society, but more particularly human psychology and human health from childhood to the end of the life. In my program, we have to do a lot of research, and some are in English. Sometimes we have to interpret them, and if English is not our first language, we can have some troubles. If it's the case, a website called Virtual Writing Tutor can help us. First of all, open a Google page. In the address bar, write Virtual Writing Tutor. This one. Okay. This website can help you to check your grammar. You simply write your text in the box and click on Check Grammar. Right there. Now you just have to correct them. The mistake will appear at the bottom of the screen, right there. Also, sometimes we have difficulty to interpret a text without using the same words. The website have a function at the right hand side of the screen which says check paraphrase, right there. So you simply have to copy paste a text and click on check paraphrase. In the box, you write the sentence that you interpret about a text. You click on check paraphrase and right there you paste your text. You click on check. This is the original text and this is your paraphrase. Right there it says if your sentence is okay or not. So in this example, my sentence is 53% the same as the original one. So I should change it. Also, now I will show you my favorite function of the website. If you are like me and you have a lot of difficulty with pronunciation in English, the website offers a function that can help you with that. You just have to write your text in the box. Alright, hi. My name is Ariane. And you just have to click on the logo at the right hand side of the screen. The text-to-speech will pronounce the text for you. That's all for today. I hope you like it and I hope that you will use the website because it is very helpful.